Okay, so students, in the previous day we have solved exercise 5.2 up to question number 2. Okay, 6 math question number. Today I will solve question number 3. Okay, so before solving question number 3 we need to learn something, that is the direction. So 4 major directions are north, exercise 5.2. okay, exercise direction north, south, east and west. Okay, these are the 4 major direction. Next we have to learn what is the angle between two consecutive direction. Consecutive direction means if I take north, direction north, then east and west are the consecutive direction of north. So direction of the angle between north and south, east, the angle is 90 degree. East and south, that is 90 degree. South and west 90 degree, and north and west, that is also 90 degree. So north is 90, is the angle between two consecutive directions is 90 degree. Now what is anti-clockwise revolution and what is clockwise revolution? Anti-clockwise revolution means if you are facing north direction and you are moving clockwise direction, means you have to move along this direction, that is clockwise direction. And anti-clockwise direction, you are facing at north and you want to move along anti-clockwise. You want to mute your microphone. And anti-clockwise revolution means that direction, that is the anti-clockwise. So clockwise direction, clockwise revolution, anti-clockwise revolution, we know. Now in this question number 3, it is given that you are facing, first question it is given that is which direction will you face if you move, that is first of all part A, you are facing at east, and make 1/2 revolution, okay, in short time. So in which direction you will be facing, we have to calculate it, we have to identify it. First of all, that is north, south, east and west. Okay, now next just observe that 1/2 revolution. And one thing students, 180, if any direction, just like in north direction, and it moves 180 degrees, it means the direction will be south. Okay, opposite direction, anyone is facing at east direction and it moves 180 degree clockwise, it means it will be west direction, just opposite direction. 180 degree means opposite direction. Okay, got it? Now initially you are facing at the east. Okay, you are facing at the east now, and make 1/2 revolution. 1/2 revolution means one full revolution means 360 degree, and 1/2 revolution means 1/2 into 360, that is 180. So you make 180 degree angle clockwise. Now initially we are at east direction, so 180 degree, I have told you earlier that 180 degree means just opposite direction. Opposite of it, that is west, so that direction will be west. And what is the angle? Clockwise means along this direction. Okay, that angle is 180 degree. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Okay, next Next, east and make 1 whole 1/2 revolution. East and make 1 whole 1/2 revolution. Okay, for doing this, just write it down. So north, south, and east and west. Okay, so 1 by 1 whole 1 by, so initially it is facing, you are facing at east, and 1 whole 1/2 revolution. 1 whole 1/2 revolution means you can write it like 1 plus 1/2. Any problem? 1 whole 1/2 means 1 plus 1/2. Now students, 1 full revolution means it will be facing at the same. It will be facing at the same. What does it mean? What it means? Just think, you are facing at the direction north. You are facing at the direction north. After one full revolution, you will be again facing at the same direction. That will be east. Okay. So here it is, initially the direction is east. Now after completing one revolution, you will again be facing at the direction of east, but that is not the completed, because 1/2 revolution is left. 1/2 revolution is left. So 1/2 revolution means 1/2 into 360 degree. That is 1. So and it is also given that clockwise revolution. So 180 degree. Now you are starting from here, completing one revolution. Okay, then half revolution. Half revolution means 180 degree. So you will be facing at west. Okay, you will be facing at the direction of west. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Okay, next problem. Repeat this one. Okay, very good. So first, initially the direction is at the east. Okay, initially you are facing at the east. Now 1 whole 1/2 revolution, 1 whole 1/2, you can write this like 1 plus 1/2. Okay, you have learned the fractions addition in class 5. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. 1 whole 1/2 equal to 1 plus 1/2 revolution. So 1 means full revolution, 1/2, next part is half revolution. So initially you were at the direction of E. Next, if you complete one full revolution, so you will again be facing at the east. Okay, so that part is completed. Next 1/2 revolution. 1/2 revolution means you are facing at east. Now if you start moving from here in the clockwise direction, then you will reach at the west direction. 180 degree. 180 degree means opposite direction. 180 degree means opposite direction. Initially east direction. After half revolution, you will be at west direction. That is the opposite of east. Got it? Got it, everyone? Or any problem? Okay, who are you? Okay, very good. Mute your microphone. Okay, if you want to give any feedback, so you have to write in the chat box, not by microphone. Next, part C. That was part B. Now part C. Part C, that is west and 3/4 anti-clockwise. Okay, you are facing at west. I am writing that in capital. And make 3/4 revolution. But one important thing it is here. Mute your microphone, everyone. One important thing is here given, that is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means, so north, south, east and west. Anti-clockwise direction means that direction. Okay, so initially you are facing at west. Now 3/4 revolution. 3/4 revolution means one revolution means 360 degree. So 3/4 revolution means 3/4 into 360. 3/4 into 360, that is 90. So 90, 270. Now 270 means 180 plus 90. Okay, up to that you have any problem? Up to that you have any problem? So 3 by 4 into 360 degree, that is 270. 270 means we know that 180 plus 90 degree. Got it everyone? Or any problem? Tell me quickly. Okay, okay. So initially mute your microphone. Okay. Quickly. Okay, now, okay, complete. Now you are facing at west. First move 180 degree. First move 180 degree. 180 degree means just opposite direction. So you will reach, will be reach at east. Okay. Next 70 degree. Next 70 degree. 70 degree means east to north. East to north. So that angle is 270 degree, and that is also anti-clockwise. So finally you will be facing at the direction of north. First 180 means just opposite. What is opposite of west? That is east, and east, then 90, east to north, 90. So final position, final direction is at the north. Got it everyone? Got it everyone? Okay, next part D. Part D, south and make one full revolution. South and make one full revolution. South and make one full revolution. First of all, students, north, south, east and west. So it is very much easy question. Okay, if anyone is completing full revolution, then it will again reach to north, same direction. I have discussed this already. So north direction it is started, and after one completing revolution, it will be again in north direction. Okay, so that is the direction. That is the direction. Got it everyone? That it may be anti-clockwise or clockwise. In both the case answer will be same. In both the case answer will be same. Got it? Got it everyone? Next question. Okay, tell me quickly. Oh, it is south. Okay, if it is south direction, after one completing revolution, it will be again in south direction. Okay, the direction will be same. Direction will be, yes, 3D is very much easy. Next question, not part D, that is from my side. Okay, initially at east and make 1/4 revolution, make 1/4 revolution anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, it make an revolution in anti-clockwise direction. That is 1/4. Okay, answer is Kausalya, north. Okay, Joita, Tanujit. Yes. Yes, 1/4 revolution means 1/4 into 360. That is 90. So 90 means anti-clockwise direction means that direction it will move 90 degree. I have told you earlier that opposite direction. Sorry, the consecutive direction. So from east to north. Got it? Next question. And tell me what if it is start rotating clockwise, what will be the direction? What will be the direction? Initially at east and make 1/4 revolution. Initially at the direction of east and yes, south, clockwise south, anti-clockwise north. So students, I hope that question number 3, the concept of question number 3 is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Otherwise, I will end this class here. You have any doubt? Okay, very good, Vinayak. Very good. Thank you, students. Bye.